Java full stack development, and recently I got selected as a Java developer intern in one of the company. The selection was purely based on core Java, and I'm really thankful for the entire QSpiders team. The teachers here are really helpful, and they teach the concepts in such an easy and clear manner that and also the main thing that made a difference for me was the mock interviews and the presentation. It really helped to boost my confidence and helped me to overcome my fear of interviews. And I would like to thank all the teachers here, all my mentors here, and the whole HR team of Spiders. And last but not the least, I would like to thank my parents and my friends.